combining Asr and Dhuhr. And he says that I'm at my workplace, so can I combine Dhuhr and Asr together? The answer is no. Allah Azza wa Jal stated in the Qur'an, إِنَّ الصَّلَاةَ كَانَتْ عَلَى الْمُؤْمِنِينَ كِتَابًا مَوْقُوتًا. Verily that prayer was decreed, mandated upon the believers at specific times. So as you cannot pray the prayer before its due time, you cannot pray it after its due time. Nevertheless, the concept of combining Dhuhr and Asr and Maghrib and Isha is there in Islam. When to apply it? Mainly when there is a great need for it. Usually, when a person is traveling, he is giving the permission to combine Dhuhr to Asr or Asr to Dhuhr, Maghrib to Isha or Isha to Maghrib. That's it, if he's a traveler. And if there is a necessity when he's residing, if I'm undergoing an operation and it is at 2:00 p.m. and I know that the anesthesia will remain until Maghrib, I'll be sedated, maybe till Isha. In this case, I pray Asr at the time of Dhuhr together, 4 rak'ah. If I have a test once in a year and I will go to the test at 11 o'clock in the morning before Dhuhr time, and it won't be finished until 5 o'clock in the afternoon, after Asr time, before Maghrib. In this case, I'm allowed to delay Dhuhr and pray it with Asr at 5 o'clock when I am out. These are real reasons and not something trivial or just because I'm in the office, I'm lazy. No, this is not permissible. You have to pray on time. And I hope this answers your question.